Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am starting with my part 4 video. Then five principle. What is five principle? Five principle like sort, set, size, standardize, and sustain. So in this video I will show you in everything that you can clearly understand what is the five principle of the lean management. So let's start. So are you frustrated in your workplace? First, are you frustrated in your workplace? On this position makes me tired. What is the document I can do? And oh, time is not enough this way. So this type of a problem is coming. So see, that is the image. Are you positive thinker or negative thinker? Are you positive thinker or negative thinker? Thinking negative, think negatively in inside a box and give up. Work together and do something with big positive attitude. Work together and do something with big positive attitude. Even you are positive thinker, you still need something to make idea realistic. You need tools. There are useful tools, 5S approaches. What is 5S? So 5S is philosophy and a way of organizing and managing the workplace and workflow with the intent to improve efficiency by eliminating waste, improving flow, and reducing processes on reasonableness. It is for improvement. It is for improvement. What is that? It is for improvement of working environment. It is for improvement of the working environment. So, then what is 5S activity? What is 5S? High-based activities are to create good working environment through reduction of high-based activities are to create good working environment through reduction of Muri, Mura and Muda. It helps to create a basis of strong management of workplace. Then what is Muri, Mura and Muda? Muri means overburden, unreasonableness, or absurdity. Mura means unevenness or inconsistency, primarily with the physical matter and the human spiritual condition. Muda. Muda means activity which is wasteful or does not add value. Then one more second, wait. I will clearly explain everything. Let's start. Something error is there. So again, I will record it. So this type of image will be perceived. So 5 minutes, I will show you everything and discuss with the IPS principle in everything. Then Muda means activity which is wasteful or does not add value. Then another thing is 5 A's in Japanese, English as well. And in English, sort, set, sign, standardize, and sustain. Background of background of 5 A's activities. The word 5S was generalized in 1980 in manufacturing sector in Japan as Toyota Production System (TPS) became famous in sector and 5S activity were set as one of the bases of the TPS. Service industry started to use Firebase in 1990. Then background of the Firebase. The National Demonstration Project NDP was designated to test TQM approach for a healthcare quality and safety environment. NDP was conducted in the US and Japan 2020, 2002, 2004. Many private hospitals in Asia, Europe, and US are practicing in trial TQM approaches for healthcare quality, hospitals management, and safety improvement. Then what is IBase can do? What IBase can do? What IBase can do? So IBase with teamwork improvement through everyone participation. Teamwork improvement through everyone participation. Identify abnormalities. Identify waste and reduce the wastage. Identify waste and reduce the waste. Identify waste and reduce the waste. Seven wastes are so in lean manufacturing. Seven wastes are first one is overproduction. Then second one is inventory. Third one is waiting. Fourth one is motion. Fifth one is transportation. Sixth one is reward. Seventh one is over processing. Then improve productivity, improve safety. If no five-based activity, then what will happen? Hesitate what to do, remember what or how to do, making mistake, looking for necessary items. Details of five-based approach. So five-based approach in details. Short sets, set, sign, standardize, sustain. First one is short. We focus on eliminating unnecessary items from the workplace. Categorize equipment, furniture, tools in your working place into the three following categories: necessary, unnecessary, may not necessary. These steps will help you the just in case attitude. And sorting activities. The first series sorting is equipment, materials, and tool files, furniture, etc. can be categorized based on the preference to of use. Not needed it. The items not used in current working processes in the category. Mainly used items are used in operational area. The category needed items or items are in the category. So, examples of the sortings. Examples of the sorting: place red tag for categorizer of items to identify unnecessary items. Move unnecessary items, broken tools, obsolete jigs and fixtures, scrap and excess raw material, etc. to central store area. Free up valuable floor, free up valuable floor space or space utilization. Finding abnormality of equipment and tools out of order or missing part, etc. And this is the image of the IPS. So second one is the set. What is set? What is set? Set is based on findings. So set is based on finding efficient and effective storage of necessary item. Apply can see, can take out, and can return philosophy. This will save and energy to look for something. Then setting activity is like that. Setting activities will have consequences among the co-workers and when and how to organize necessary items of concern with paradigms. We see that image. We can think not only written fitness and need to consider workflow and arrange items. Then examples of setting activities, labeling, numbering, zoning for clear identification of storage area to keep necessary items, set a necessary item matching with workflow to minimize unnecessary movement and transportation time. Then, this is the image administration baseline photograph August 2020 processed. Before. Then another one is the sign clean up one clean up one workplace daily so that there will no dust on floor machinery equipment. It will create ownership and build pride in the workers. Then signing activities, you clean floor and window works, clean and maintain office automation, machine, medical equipment and tools and office furniture. Develop and follow regular cleaning and maintenance schedule. Example of signing activity, daily sweeping and mapping from floor, bathroom and corridor, regular cleaning and maintenance of equipment and tools, periodical check for changes in equipment and service areas such as leak, vibration and misalignment and breakage, etc. IBC activities such as hand hygiene, waste segregation are also part of the signing. See the image that is signing. Then another topic is standardize. Maintain an environment is maintain an environment where 1:3 are implemented in the same manner throughout the organization. Give opportunity to employees to take activity part in the development of the standardize activities. Standardization develop the mechanism standardization one to the this is the standardization of PC in everything that is in image. Example of the standardized activities which work instruction, SOP, standard operating procedure, checklist development and regular uses for SOP, mechanism and format development for ordering and supplying, reporting, etc. Color coding for waste segregation, standardized common symbols. See that image. Then sustain maintenance is one is to 4 is through discipline, commitment, and empowerment. It focuses on defining a new mindset and a standard in workplace. Sustainability, which people get more. People get bored if no changes. Need to develop a mechanism to make staff excited and motivated. Improvement, prevent, fallback, further improvement. Example of the sustain activities, regular process reporting, refresher training, periodical evaluation of IBS activity with proper advices for contamination and further improvement, appreciation and recognition and awarding on good IBS activities, reminder using IBS kernel and emulator and good practice sheet. Is the example of the conceptual framework. IBS became popular for seven solid reasons: visible results, enhance the generation of more and new idea, the workplace get clean up and better organized, hospital and office operation becomes easier and safer, results are visible to everyone inside and outside, people are naturally disciplined, people take pride in their clean and organized workplace, as a result the company good image generates more and better. So, IPS Kaizen Tikvim pages. IPS Kaizen Tikvim pages. So, see that image. Here the pages will be showing IPS Kaizen Tikvim pages. Then a target of the 5 years. So, the target of 5 years is zero changeover leading to product and services amplification, zero defects leading to higher quality, zero waste loading to lower cost, zero delay loading to on-time delivery, zero injury promoting the safety, zero breakdowns bringing greater maintenance. And remember 1 to 5 years implementation can improve both working environment and the service content. Benefits and the WEI will be better realized as you go along the training. Go systematically to implement 1:5 is not a necessary unnecessary item. Arrange item according to the workflow. Make workplace tools for planning daily planning. Standardize short set sign process and workers acquire positive attitude, sustain and improve quality of the health services. Effectiveness of 5 years is improving healthcare and service content, complement to patient safety efforts, minimize the chances of providing wrong medicines, will minimize the chances of providing wrong medicine and treatment to wrong patients through the proper sorting, files or records, and appropriate labeling medicine opposite, as well as use the checklist of avoid living items such as gas, scissor, by using safe surgery checklist contribute to better continuum of care, enabling the patient is checklist to ensure the correct leakage and needed services. Example of five-based activities before to and after. Example of five-based activities see that is before and after. Wrap up. Wrap up. So the positive attitude is very important for implementation of five-based activity. It is not a cleaning campaign. Five-based activities are to create good working environment through reduction of unevenness and mood effects. Five-based can identify and reduce abnormalities and waste and improve teamwork, cleanliness, safety, and productivity. It is based on organization management. So thank you for your listening and patience. So let's start about the another part 7. Then one more topic I will explain. Then one more topic I will explain, and the topic is like that. The topic is like that. Uh, 5 years improvement management in 5 years improvement management in 5 years improvement management which 5 years improvement management sorting out set limits or searching time or elimination sign equipment set standardize self-discipline or practice self-discipline or practice self-discipline or practice. Let's talk about what is the benefits of the 5 days. In 5 days, suppose you implement in the 5 days. What is the benefits of the 5 days? What is the benefits of the 5 days? Why 5 days fail? So first question is that why 5 days fail? Not enough work environment, not enough work or environment, lack of direction, failure to standardize, regular monitoring, rewards and recognition. Rewards and recognition. Which step is most difficult to accomplishment? Standardize. Which 5 ways is the most difficult to accomplish? Standardize. Then see that image. If no 5 ways activities, what is the problem set for me? Confusion what to do, remember what or how to do, making mistake again and again, looking again and again in unnecessary items. So benefits of the 5 years, teamwork improvement, identify abnormalities, identify waste and reduce the wastage, improve productivity, improve safety. Then 5 years will be then 5 years 5 years of sustain self-discipline to the daily monitoring, train people in 5 years, maintain and review standards, get everyone involved, improving ownership by allowing area and conduct monthly review by 5 years committee, training of all employees, periodic audits at all levels, motivating through rewards and recognition. And one more time, in a S4 standardize. In standardize, what is the principle S4? Standardize principle, standardize and visual management, meaning establish or maintain standards and guidelines and make them visuals. If you cannot see, you cannot know, and if you don't know, and you will not control. So the marketing sort set in order and standardize habit. So 5 steps, colors and guidelines. Then 3 S. What is 3 S? Cleaning with meaning. So the cleaning with meaning. Cleaning is inspection. The front, rear, left, right, top, bottom. Airport, metro station, corner caliper is like that. Then another one is set. Then another is set. Set means place for everything in its place, or zero asking or zero searching, zero asking or zero searching, leveling, color coding, numbering, zoning, etc. Then sort means guidelines for sorting is the absolute parts are except to links not required as the design has become absolute. Defective card cannot be used as it is, not in place, kept at wrong place. Unnecessary, extra are not useful. In sorting, red and yellow tag tactics, visual sorting, sorting out, red tag for reject material. It is used for absolute materials, absolute material, defective parts, scraps, and unnecessary items. Yellow, yellow tags means for old material. Yellow tag materials move to store because whenever we need it, we issue the material from the store. Then sorting. Sorting principle is waste elimination. Not needed at all. Needed but not now. Needed but not here. Needed but not so much quantity. Then what are the 5 elements in Japanese word? Separating results, sorting out, segregate or not, segregate content, systematic arranging, give asking, give searching, assign everything, standardize, standard procedure for all activity, self-discipline, follow decide things. What is 5 S? It is usually covered in 5 S. Typically, manufactured tool that improves workplace efficiency and eliminating waste. What to do is start 5 S. What do we start 5 S? For housekeeping, for material discipline, more time to spend in searching for tools, files, and documents. Where we start 5 S? Company, office, where we start 5 S? Company, office, store, home, school, restaurant, shopping mall, shop, airport, etc. Everywhere we can implement 5 S. Why need 5 S? It helps to eliminate waste time, waste waste and waste inventory. It helps to improve product quality and improve work productivity. Workplace becomes clean, work becomes easier and safer. Poor people are automatically disciplined. Results goods company image generates for more business. Philosophy of the 5 S. A place for everything and everything everything on every place. Principle of 5 S. So the 5 S involves for principle of waste elimination through workplace organization. Origin of the 5 S. It is a 5 S methodology was started in manufacturing sector in Japan in 1980. As Toyota Motor Corporation is always famous, started in 1990. And you know who is the father of the franchise? Haruki Hirano. So that's all for my video. Then let's start. I think 6 or 7 videos completed. And this is the another seventh category in this video. This is the seventh category in this video. That's all for me. So thank you for your support and cooperation with me.